thunder in London, you'd think you were in the tropics. It's the kind of rain you get in the equator, in places like Uganda. This suddenly is a storm. Earlier on, lightning had hit the local park. But, you know, look at the wind, look at the wind, look at the wind, look at the wind, look at the wind. Look at that. In fact, it's almost past, but just saying, listen to the distant rumble of thunder in London. I just missed that. But that rain it was too much just for a few seconds. I mean, like for 2 minutes, it was something else. Just listen to the wind. Just listen.